Hi, in front of me I have a Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to not move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurements. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now, swipe left or right on the screen, on this home screen, to scroll through the list of widgets, and keep scrolling until you find the current heart rate one. I'm gonna place my finger, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. So let's wait a couple seconds, and here we have it. This number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time, but once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. You can also tap on this widget to open the data, and here you have data like max and minimum heart rate so far, and I think that's about it, yes. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back, like that. And if you want to, you can swipe left or right on the screen to go back to normal watch face. This is the normal one. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.